Here's lesson 8 and 11 hundredths, fractions and measurement. So why fractions and measurement? Well, we need to be able to multiply fractions by whole numbers and make conversions when necessary. So how are we going to do that? Well, to get started, we need to remember and be able to use the knowledge that we know about cups, fluid ounces, and pounds and ounces. So we need to remember that 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces, and 1 pound is 16 ounces. That's going to come in handy as we start to use this little feeding guideline chart that has to do with sweet little puppies. And as you can see on the chart, we have puppy weight, we have how old the puppy is in each of these columns, and then it shows you how many cups of food that they need per day. So we're going to start with this problem. Dino weighs 4 pounds and is 6 months old. How many cups of food should he eat in 3 days? So I want you to take a look at the table, look at the problem again, and see if you can figure out what the answer is to my question. Now you may have noticed when you looked at the chart there isn't a weight for 4 pounds. So what we're going to do in this instance is we're just going to round up. So since that's over 3, we're going to round up to 5, and we're going to take a look at this row right here, and we're going to find 6 months, which is going to fall in this column right here, 5 to 7. So that gives us 7/8, and that is for 1 day. So we would need to take 7/8 times 3 because it's asking us for 3 days. And that is going to give us 21/8, or what mixed number would that be? 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24, so that's too big. So my whole number is going to be 2, and I'm going to have 5/8 left over. So in this particular problem, we would need 2 5/8 cups of food. So let's take a look at the second problem that I have for you. Astro weighs 16 pounds and is 2/3 of a year old. How much food should he eat in 4 days? Again, I want you to look at the table and you'll notice that the weight is 16 pounds, so what might we do in this situation? We're going to have to make a decision, aren't we? Because we have 15 pounds and we have 20 pounds. So is he closer to 15 or is he closer to 20? In this instance, I'm going to say he's closer to 15. So we're going to use the row that has 15 here, and then 2/3 of a year old. So I need to think about what would 2/3 of a year be. There's 12 months in a year, so I need to figure 2/3 of 12. Okay, so as you'll see, I took 2/3 of 12 right here, which means I'm going to take 12 divided by 3 times 2. And that's going to give me 8 months. So basically, Astro is 8 months old. So we're going to come over here to the table, and we're going to find 8 to 12 months. We're going to go and find 15 that we looked at earlier. So that means he needs 1 cup per day. And this one's kind of easy because now I need to take that 1 cup times 4. So my answer is going to be what? 4. So that one was simple, right? Okay, so in class, we will work with partners to use operations with fractions and conversions between units to solve number stories about the feeding guidelines of, you guessed it, puppies. I'll see you in class.